Let's open the first Hot Wheels mystery pack. As you can see, this pack has a secret code on the back. In this case it's 01. You always get a sticker and poster. With these cars, let's take a closer look at it. This is the car we're going to get. The 71 Datsun 510. Up next we have another very cool mystery car. The packaging tells us that it will be the third car from the poster. Check this out. We got ourselves a very cool Porsche 356 Outlaw. Let's take a closer look at them in a short cinematic movie.